I'm making my day giving a free charity, which is a smile, yeah?
Okay.
So I'm giving a smile, and I want to ask you, would you smile, and why do you think smiling is good?
It's change your face value, make it more happy.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, yeah. Well done, yeah. Jazakallah, thank you. Are you homeless? So basically, anyway, I'm doing a charity, yeah, because smiling we consider as a charity in my religion. So I would like to ask you, would you smile, and why do you think smiling is good?
Because it shows that you're happy. Shows that you're having a good time.
And you can share with your happiness, isn't it?
You can share happiness with people.
Yeah,
Happiness is good to be happy.
Nice one, bro. Respect, yeah. I want to give you my smile, and I wish I could help you, but I can shake your hand. All the best, yeah.